Do you find yourself struggling to make ends meet, even though you work very hard and earn a decent income? Chances are this is happening because of some of your poor money habits. In this video, we will be sharing some common money habits that may be keeping you poor and tips on how to break them. Let's get started. Habit number 1. Living paycheck to paycheck. If you are doing so, you are not alone. However, this habit can keep you stuck in a cycle of financial stress and prevent you from building wealth. To break this habit, create a budget and prioritize your expenses. Look for ways to cut back on unnecessary expenses and increase your income through side hustles or negotiating a raise. Habit number 2. Not tracking your spending. Many people don't realize how much they are spending until they are in debt. Tracking your spending can help you identify areas where you can cut back and save more. To break this habit, please start using apps or spreadsheets to track your spending and set financial goals. Habit number 3. Impulse buying. Impulse buying can quickly drain your bank account and prevent you from saving. To break this habit, give yourself a cooling off period before making any non-essential purchases. Consider waiting for 24 hours or a week before buying something to determine if it's really necessary expense. Habit number 4. Carrying credit card debt. Credit card debt can keep you trapped in a cycle of high interest payments. To break this habit, pay off your credit card balance in full each month or consider using a debit card or cash for purchases. Wait a minute, I have a request to make. If you like our initiative to spread financial education or financial literacy, please give this channel a subscribe and like the video. Habit number 5. A lack of financial education. Many people lack basic financial education, which can prevent them from making informed decisions about money. To break this habit, read books, attempt workshops, watch videos like this, or attend webinars, or seek advice from financial advisor. Take the time to understand the basics of investing, saving, and debt management. Habit number 6. Not setting financial goals. Without clear financial goals, it's easy to drift aimlessly or miss out on opportunities to build wealth. To break this habit, set specific financial goals such as saving for a down payment on a house or paying off debt. Break your goals down into achievable steps and track your progress. All the best. To know more about financial literacy, please watch next video and subscribe to this channel.